At 8,000 feet, Mammoth Lakes can take your breath away. Having an extra oomph in your bike as you pedal up steep hills could make the difference between getting out for that ride and staying in and watching TV. But with much electrical fueled pedal power comes much responsibility. It's on your e-cycling self to ride responsibly and make sure you and those around you are safe. Now, to show us how to put the etiquette in e-biking, here is Officer Howland.
If you're not first, you're last. Let's go.
Not so fast, officer. Slow your roll. Keep it to 15 miles per hour and I'll pay fast.
I've got open asphalt in front of me and an electric motor.
Stay right. It's up to pass, officer. That's the rule of the road. I mean pass. And watch out for pedestrians.
These folks better get out of my way. E-bike coming through.
Actually, you look to pedestrians and horses and a few other things too. And let people know you're coming with a ring of a bell or a friendly greeting. How's your battery, officer?
I think I'm out of juice.
It's like power hour. Check your battery regularly to avoid pedaling uphill.
Hey, can I take this thing on the road?
Yes, you can, but follow the same laws as this car. That's the welcome center where e-bikes are and are not allowed.
I do love the feel of the alpine air in my hair.
In your helmet, state law says anybody under 18 must wear a helmet, but it's a great idea for all ages.
I feel so educated. Now for a charge so I can feel electrified again.
Thanks for riding safe, officer. Safe and friendly biking. It's a Mammoth thing.